Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open your own account on Canva. So you will need to go to www.canva.com. You will recognize it because it kind of it has these teal and purple colors, and there's a sign up button at the top. You will click on that and open an account. I always like to sign up with my Gmail, the educational one, because it gives you a couple of more privileges. If you scroll down, you can see that there is a free version of Canva and then Canva Pro. You can recognize those things on Canva Pro because they'll have the crown symbol on them, and those you have to pay for, but there are plenty of resources on Canva that are free, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to ask you to click on the sign up and open an account and log in. Now that we are logged in, you can kind of see like what Canva looks like, right? If I click in the top navigation on the education button, you can see like different options for collaborating in the classroom, for uh, like different projects for students. There are different free lessons, worksheets, and templates for educators, etc., etc. The state of Utah has Canva available to everyone. You can create with your students. You can have them create with Canva because it's very intuitive, and it's a great tool. It does have its own AI here on the left, and you have all sorts of templates, right? So if I, for instance, want to create a banner for a course, I will type in banner, and I would get a lot of different templates that I can play with. So let's say that I like this one. I would select it. It would give me a preview. It will ask me what size I want. If you want to print them, they charge for that as well. So no, we just want to make sure that we customize this template. Okay, and then it gives me something that is completely customizable. So welcome, I can just kind of change some of these things and say Dr. Pantich's, oops. Oh. I guess I will not use an apostrophe tech class. I want to delete anything that looks inappropriate or incorrect. Okay, if I want to add anything, I can use either the elements on the left, the text boxes. I can also move the content on the slide up and down. If I don't like any of the items, I can just click on them and delete them. Okay, so it is pretty easy to use. So when you are done with this lesson, there will be a mini assignment in the end that will ask you to create your own banner and add it to your Canvas course. I think it's wonderful to have a banner that you self-made, that has your name, that is personalized. Unlike the picture that we added from the internet a couple of weeks ago, I think if you add something like this and then you use the link to Canvas on your resume, that really shows some skill. So let's move on to the infographic like I promised. Okay, so this time we're not going to use a template. We are going to start from scratch. So we're going to click on the big purple button. This is probably the only tool that doesn't have a big blue button. It's actually purple. And we are going to scroll down and choose the custom size. So now notice how you can import a file, you can do all sorts of things. We're going to do custom size, and we are going to choose 700 by 2000 pixels. So I did some research on the internet, and most people recommend those dimensions for an infographic. So 700 by 2000, and we are going to click on create new design. And that gives us a blank slate, right? You can see immediately that there are all sorts of ideas on the left. You can definitely peek and steal some of those ideas, but I would really like you to make it your own infographic, just so you can explore this tool really well and see what it can do.